students, I am Miss Diana and I will be your online tutor for this subject. How are you today? I hope you are fine. Okay, before we start, let's see what the lesson learning outcomes are. In this particular lesson, you will learn how to prepare raw data from various sources of information and display the prepared data in suitable graphic forms. In this video, you are going to learn the types of graphs and charts, when to use them, and the important elements that should be included to make your graph complete. In our lesson, we are focusing on three types of graphs and chart. They are pie chart, line graph, and bar graph. When do we use these three types of graphs and chart? This is an important question to ask ourselves before we select the graph or chart to represent our data. Let's start with pie charts. Pie charts are best used to compare percentages or parts of a whole, and a whole here refers to the total of the values in your data. A piece of the pie represents each value to identify the proportions. For example, here we have pastimes as a whole, and the proportions are reading novels, playing sports, surfing the internet, watching movies, and playing games. Next is a line graph. Line graphs are most useful for showing trends over time rather than static data points. The lines connect each data point so that you can see how the values increased or decreased over a period of time. These periods of time could be years, months, weeks, days, minutes, or even seconds. For example, here we have sales of mystery books from July to December, and the time frame is month, July, August, September, October, November, and December. What about bar graphs? Bar graphs are used to compare things between different groups or to track changes over time. As you see here, we have two different groups, which are mystery books and biography books.